Hey, good morning, everybody. Jeff Lobb here. A little bit of a scratchy voice from speaking, but here at Atlantic City, man, it's triple play time. It is go time. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I've got 4 sessions today. 4, starting 9:30. If you're anywhere near Atlantic City or you're at triple play, I will be in room 419. 419 twice this morning, twice in the afternoon. Topics like talking about 7 streams of people, which is a fairly new talk and something you actually have to hear. As a real estate agent, you're missing a whole bunch of streams of people. We're going to show you how to get them. And right after that, talking about owning the market, how to get listings, win listings, continue to get listings, and owning your own local market. So pretty excited to be here. Also here with great friends and clients, Family First Funding. I'll be out there all day tomorrow. If you're around tomorrow, we're going to be hanging out doing coaching, fireside chats, solving problems. Sorry for the bus in the background or whatever that was. And we're here for till Thursday. So if you're in the triple play area, come check me out. 419 today. Love to say hi. Tomorrow at the Family First Funding booth. I think it's 8:15. Booth 8:15, I think. And I'll be hanging out all day tomorrow, just saying hello, helping you guys if I can, and it's gonna be a great week. So hopefully I'll see you here. Ciao.